Hello YouTube, here we see the Schrade model 301 and 302, large heavy-duty folding knives, full stainless steel handles on these. You can see the only difference is the texture of the handle. One has the grenade pattern texture, the other completely clean. Here are the lock bar sides of these knives. As you can see, a frame lock locking mechanism, one position pocket clips, and you see they have a device to prevent the overextension of the lock bars. And here you see what I call the grenade pattern texture pattern. The hardware here, extremely heavy duty knives. You can see here's the back spacer, semi-open construction, the jimping there, flipper, and dual thumb studs as your openers. Very easy to open. I am left-handed, but extremely easy to open even with my right hand. You see the lock bar there. Look at the thickness. These are rock solid. There is no blade play in any direction. You see the lock up there. It is about 35 to 40% over. Easy to disengage. Here are the knives in the open position. Now, both the handle and the blades on these have a titanium nitride coating. Right? It's a very thin coating. It protects it from rust, and it's just an overall protective coating. And it also makes them non-reflective. Here's a close-up of the blade. The blade length, 3.7 inches. As you can see, partial flat grind. Tanto tip with a pronounced sub-tip. The secondary grind there, also flat. You can see the beefy bevel on this blade. And as you can see, I have been using it. I don't know if you can see the wear and tear there. Alright, there's a better look at it. As you can see, yeah, from the wear and tear on the blade, I have been using it, testing it, and it held up very well. These knives are extremely affordable. You can sometimes find them for as low as $20. These are hard use blades. They're not designed to be like a lightweight, thing that you can just forget about in your pocket. Schrade does have other models that would be, they're more lightweight, everyday carry size and weight. This is a Schrade 102. Okay, so if you're looking for just extremely lightweight, right, you can check out the Schrade 102. If you're looking for hard use, heavy duty, this is something that like a construction worker would carry. All right, it is a tool. This is a heavily built knife for large hands. I have medium-sized hands. You see, I have ample room. Right, a whole nother finger length, large finger, right? So big knife for big guys with big hands. Just extremely strong construction. I mean, look how thick that is. The handle, solid steel. The lockup, I mean, that is absurdly rock solid. The pommel on this can easily be used as a rescue device, break a window. In fact, in the Schrade video on this, they show that. So just all around, yeah, I mean, this is hardware. This is it reminds me of my Estwing tools. Now, how would I improve this blade? Well, I mean, for this price point, you don't really need to. Although one thing I did notice, it just has this kind of ornamental hole here. You can almost use it as an opening hole, but not quite. So it would actually be cool if they could either extend this or move this hole to maybe there. I mean, I know it already has a flipper and thumb studs, but if you're going to put a lightning hole there, if they would move that hole up there, then it would have 3 methods of open. That would be pretty cool. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this overview of the Schrade 301 and 302. Altogether, very well made. I mean, it's hard to believe you can get this for $20 sometimes. It's a big, heavily built knife, big dudes, big hands, big jobs. More of a construction tool in my mind rather than like a light EDC. Very smooth, but nonetheless, would make an excellent gift for any working guy this holiday season. All right, this has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.